everybody, Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some more products and scents from Apex Beard Co. Use code THETRUTH to save 10% on all mainline scents and products from Apex Beard Co. Check out my previous unboxings down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you've tried Apex Beard Co. and what your favorite scent is. So as you're watching this, I'll have just released the Winter Woodsman, which is the January scent of the month for the Legend series for Apex Beard Co. on my channel with an unboxing as well as with a live stream January 1st. Go back and watch that if you haven't already. I'll have both linked down below. Yeah, without further ado, let's talk about Apex Beard Co. Apex Beard Co. is based in Central Illinois. The owner is Dylan. Apex Beard Co. sells small batch handmade beard products as well as some grooming products. Check the website down below. Started in March 2022, so 1 year old as of March 2023. Really enjoying this company so far. Stay tuned for a review coming soon. Next, let's talk about the ingredients in these oils as well as the butter. The ingredients for the Alpha Blend oil, which is metal foam seed oil, castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, fragrance oils, and essential oils for scent. And in the premium blend, which I have 2 scents in that so far, including this one, the Winter Woodsman. Great scent, by the way. Definitely check this one out if you haven't already. It's out now as you're watching this. Premium blend is 60% emu oil and 40% with the Alpha Blend. And then the beard butter is shea butter, mango butter, and then the Alpha oil blend. Next, let's discuss the scents that I got. Alright, so I got 5 scents from Apex Beard Co. First one is the Ghost of Christmas Past, which is vintage wrapping paper, smoked evergreen, applewood, crisp Anjou pear, and Christmas spices. Then you have the Wet Bandits, which is obviously Home Alone inspired. Great movies. Baked bread, black spruce, anise. Not sure what that is, but probably smells good. And then Christmas spices. And then A Silent Night is fresh snow, midnight cologne, icy lakes, and frozen plum. And then the Drunkle. This one is creamy eggnog, aged scotch, and spiced vanilla. Next, let's unbox these products. Alrighty, so full disclosure, I did open this up just to make sure that everything was okay. I didn't mess with anything, but just wanted to make sure that everything's all good because the first Apex Beard Co. unboxing that I did, USPS screwed up and broke one of the bottles. So I do have this open, but didn't take anything out or mess with anything. So we got a bunch of stickers, nice Christmas tree. Oh, this is a fridge magnet. That's pretty cool. And then we have Apex Beard Co., also a fridge magnet. And we got the Abominables. This is the sticker, one of the other Christmas scents. And then the Wet Bandits, one of the ones that I have. Definitely excited for that. And then the Bah Humbugger, which I also have. Great scent. Love that one. And then we got my order sheet and then a note from Dylan. Thank you, Jordan. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. Hashtag live life at the Apex. And my order. It's pretty dope. And yeah, speaking of that stuff, got the dropper tops. 2 of them there. 2 more right there. And we got the Winter Woodsman butter. This is a 2-ounce beard butter with the ingredients and the scent profile. Alright, so the scent profile is fresh snow, winter air, white pine, silver birch, blue spruce, juniper bush, and teakwood. This is a great scent. I've rocked this in beard a few times. Love this one. I have it in the emu blend. Really great scent. I've heard good things about this butter, so I'm excited to try it. Looks pretty smooth. Love this scent. So good. So now I have the matching set for that. Here we go. So this is the Wet Bandits. This is a green bottle. These are the, I got them with the dropper tops. Super dope bottle. And then we've got the Ghost of Christmas Past. This is a red bottle. Great labels on these. Apex has some of my favorite labels that I've seen recently. And that's 1 bag. And then we got 2 more right here. This is the Silent Night. This is a blue bottle. And then we have the Drunkle. Love this one. The label is epic. This is a purple bottle. These definitely stand out on your shelf, which I always appreciate. Ah, cool. And then we also have a cologne in the Winter Woodsman. So this scent is also available in cologne. It looks like this opened up a little bit. Oh, because the lid cracked a bit. That's annoying. That's fine. I'm gonna put the pump top on here anyway, so it doesn't matter all that much. Didn't spill, thankfully, so all good on that. But USPS screwed up a little bit once again, but it is what it is. So yeah, so really cool glass bottle. This is a 60 milliliter cologne. So good. Never gotten a cologne from a beard company before, so this is pretty cool. It's got the lid, and that just goes into there. There we go. It's got a pump top with the cologne. Very cool. The label right there on the front, and then the scent profile on the back. Yeah, without further ado, let's check out these scents next. Alrighty, so first we're going to check out the Drunkle. Label on this is great. I'll have close-ups as well. It's got a drunk uncle with a Christmas sweater that has Leonardo DiCaprio from Django Unchained, which is one of my favorite memes of all time. If you followed me for a while, you've seen it used many a time to great effect. This one is creamy eggnog, aged scotch, and spiced vanilla. And this is the standard blend, the alpha blend. Ooh, definitely get the eggnog right off the bat. And I feel like I picked up the scotch next, and then the spiced vanilla is there in the background. Oh yeah, that is nice. I got the droppers. I do appreciate, I said this in the last video, but I do appreciate that Apex doesn't put the droppers on right away, because then it definitely makes it easier for unboxings. So that's one, dropper top. A Silent Night. This one is Fresh Snow, Midnight Cologne, Icy Lakes, and Frozen Plum. All nice and sealed up, safe, which is always good to see. Give that a shake. Ooh, cold, sweet cologne. Yeah, definitely, with Frozen Plum. Oh, that's nice. Very, very cool. Put the silver and white dropper top on there. Two more droppers. We have Ghost of Christmas Past. This is vintage wrapping paper, smoked evergreen, applewood, crisp Andrew pear, and Christmas spices. A little more subtle on that one. With the applewood for sure, and pear maybe. Excited to see how that one comes out in beard, but definitely gonna be rocking these. Kind of like a post-Christmas. All these Christmas type scents that are. This one is the Wet Bandits, baked bread, black spruce, anise, and Christmas spices. Oh, I definitely get the baked bread, black spruce too, I would say. Oh, that is nice. I apologize if there's background noise. It is what it is. But yeah, so that's all the scents that I got from Apex Beard Co. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. Definitely enjoying all these scents so far in bottle. Gonna rock them all over the next little while. Check out the Winter Woodsman. It's the new Legend series. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Use code THETRUTH to save 10% on all mainline Apex Beard Co products. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.